Today, we'll show you how to install your Britax Poplar convertible car seat rear-facing using the lower anchors. Before getting started, remove the lower connectors from the storage compartment at the back of the seat. Pull the strap to extend to full length toward the child's left side. Before placing the seat in a vehicle, recline the unoccupied seat to the appropriate position. Pull the recline handle and rotate the seat until the recline indicator ball is in the correct position for rear-facing children. For rear-facing installation, the indicator ball must be completely within the blue section. If you have difficulty achieving the proper angle, refer to your user guide. Place the seat rear-facing in the vehicle so that the base is flat and parallel to the vehicle seat. Open the click tight. Start by lifting the front cover flap. Then, squeeze the release buttons. Slide the lower connector strap into the rear-facing belt pads. Firmly press the lower connectors over their lower anchors. Repeat on both sides. Verify that the connectors are secure and the strap is not twisted. Pull the end of the lower connector strap to remove slack. Close the click tight. Ensure both gray click-tight release buttons are visible. Ensure the recline is at an appropriate position. Check that the car seat cannot be moved front to back or side to side more than 1 inch at the belt path. Follow the same process for the Poplar S convertible car seat. Happy travels!